Okay, in this video we'll look at if you had a circle, how would you draw a regular polygon outside the circle? So I have a circle and I have this sort of regular polygon. Okay, maybe we just draw a hexagon. So how do I get this hexagon in place? And this is a regular hexagon, so it turns out this has its own circle. So just as in the previous video where we had done a hexagon inside the circle, if I could have found the radius of the circle, then I would have been set, right? Now remember, these are tangents, which means this is at 90 degree, and in this case this is r, right? And so what I want is the hypotenuse. I know this angle, right? And this is theta, and this theta is actually equal to the number of sides and half of that angle. So this, the bigger angle from here to here, for example, is going to be 360 divided by number of sides. In this case it's 6, so this is 60 degrees, right? Then sides is 6. So that's going to be the bigger angle, and this angle is going to be half of that. So 360 divided by 2s, which in this case when s is 6 is going to be 30 degrees, right? And so what would have been this distance? This distance would have been your new radius. So r nu, if you call it. So r nu into cos theta would have been your radius, the original radius r. So r nu is basically equal to r by cos theta. So now we have this, and this we already know is 360 divided by 2s, and that is enough for us to know what is the new radius, and based on that I can draw for 6 points. So this is clear. The second part is, okay, what is the perimeter of this? Again, what is important is this distance d, and like last time, number of sides, and 2 times d will give you the perimeter. So in this case, what is this d? So in this case, what this d is now you have Rn, so you have Rn into sine theta as last time, right? This gives me d. So that multiplied by 2s is my perimeter. So this is equal to r by cos theta into sine theta. So r times tan theta times 2s. So now we have perimeter, and we know how to draw it as well. So let's see if we can apply this on a shape we know well, right? We know the square that encloses has one side which is diameter, which is 2r. So 4 times that, this should be 8r. This perimeter should be 8r. Right? And so let's apply the perimeter formula that we had, which was basically 2 times side. So in this case side is 4. So 2 times side is 8 times r into tan of theta. And in this case, what is theta? Theta is basically 45 degrees, right? And tan 45 is 1. So perimeter, maybe I should have written the formula. 2 times s into r into tan theta. So 2 times number of sides became 8, s r is as it is, and tan theta will become tan 45 degrees, which is equal to 8r. Okay, so at least for this simple shape, it works.